Welcome to this academic essay writing series. In this video series, I will take you step by step along how to write an academic essay. An academic essay is an essay that employs a formal structure and style and attempts to make an argument or exhibit some form of analysis, or at the very least, informs the reader about an important or relevant topic. For our purposes, an academic essay or writing is different from a research essay because the research essay uses sources. And so we will treat this topic, the research essay, in a separate video series. Returning to the academic essay, it has three components that we should concern ourselves with: style, structure, and content. We will look at all three of these in detail in this series. Content is your ideas, what you have to say about the subject, how interesting they are, how original they are, and what perspective you're adopting. Structure is how you organize these ideas, normally within paragraphs and sections. And finally, style is how clearly and elegantly you express these ideas. Each video in this series will focus on one singular aspect of the academic essay and focus on that and then try to employ or elicit a life skill that you then can not only apply to the essay, but can apply later to your career and to your future. In other words, this series will examine essay writing in greater detail than you will find anywhere else on YouTube. So tell your friends about it and let's get started.